In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can equip fruit here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you can really go to any of the islands in order to do this, but to actually get the fruit itself, you can go to Sailor Island. Once you're at Sailor Island, kind of just make your way into this little main area right here. You're going to see a coin fruit dealer and a gem fruit dealer. Interact with either of these guys right here, and you're going to randomly get one of the fruits. For example, if I go ahead and spend some money, it looks like I got myself a bomb fruit and a flame fruit. Now, to actually use these fruits, though, what you need to go ahead and do is just click on the fruit, and then, of course, click again, and it's going to say, do you want to eat it to gain the powers or whatnot? You just hit yes, and that'll confirm, but it will replace your current fruit, so make sure you actually want to switch before you do so. In my case, light fruit is by far like the best in the entire game, in my opinion, just for fast travel, which is what I really use it for. I'm going to keep my current one. Yeah, that's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you guys leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.